If you go to pay for something using Apple Pay, but it's not working, maybe it's not letting you add a credit or a debit card, or it's not popping up when you go to pay for something using the contactless payment, I'm going to show you how to definitely get all of those fixed. So the first thing we're going to do is head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Now keep in mind, in here, your Apple Pay only works with certain regions or countries. So if you've changed it to a different one, we need to check it and make sure it's set correctly. So tap on General here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Language or Region. Check which region you have set. In my case, the United States. Again, certain regions are not available to use for Apple Pay. So make sure this is set to the correct region. After you've done that, let's just hop out of here and go back to your Apple Pay settings. So go back to the beginning of your settings, scroll down from here and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. From here, scroll down and under payment cards, just tap on add a card. If you don't have a credit card or debit card already, just tap on debit or credit card and go through the process of adding that to your iPhone. Now let's say, okay, I have that credit card or debit card in there and you can see I have this gold card in here. So let's make sure that this is working. One option to bring this up is to double click this side button, but we need to make sure that's turned on. So tap on Apple Pay in defaults, scroll down from here and make sure double click side button is turned on. However, when you do turn this on, there still could be issues with how fast you're pressing that double click side button or your Face ID. So let's go back out of here and check both of those things as well. Tap on Face ID and passcode next and enter in the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone. From here, under Use Face ID, make sure contactless and payments is turned on. After you've done that, let's check the double click speed to see if it's set appropriately for you. So go back to the beginning of your settings and tap on Accessibility. After you've done that, scroll down from here and tap on Side button. And you can see click speed. Adjust the speed required to double or triple click that side button. So if it's set to default, you can see how fast you need to tap it. However, if you're not tapping it that fast, you can always switch it to slow or slowest. And essentially that means you can double click it pretty slowly and it still registers as Apple Pay. So I can, again, press this not very fast and you'll see just like that, it pops up with my credit card ready to use in any kind of contactless payment. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.